I'm going to share with you 5 things that's going to make your skin glow very naturally. And the best part is that all of it, you might just find it in your kitchen. And this secret has been used for literally thousands of years. And it's going to put all those products that you've been spending lots of money on to shame. No expensive skincare, and what we always want, no chemicals. Just pure natural glow ups that people might just end up asking you that, listen, what product are you using? And let me tell you that the fifth one is so powerful that even lazy people will do it. So let's get started. Number one is the cheapest and the most powerful face wash you've been ignoring, and that is your basin or your gram flour. Now, let's be real that most of us spend way too much on face washes, and I don't even remember having a face wash decades ago because there was no concept of face wash. You would just use your soap and just wash your face. And as a kid, I also remember using this gram flour. And this, trust me, will get your life together. And the reason why this works is because basin or gram flour is a natural saponin, which means that it gently cleanses your skin without ruining your skin's pH balance. It also removes a lot of skin dead cells without causing any micro tears. Unlike those aggressive products or those scrubs that are out there that generally causes those micro tears because they secretly hate your skin. And one more thing is that it's also rich in zinc, which reduces your acne and inflammation. Plus, basin or gram flour is also a kappa balancing ingredient, which means that it removes that excessive oiliness without over drying your skin. And trust me, when you use it, it makes your skin so soft that people would literally want to boop your face. So, how do you use it? You can just take 1 tablespoon of basin, then add a little bit of turmeric, which is pretty much like a pinch, and add a little bit of rose water, and then make like a nice paste of it. Then you apply it on your skin and let it dry. Once it's dried, you just wash it off, and boom, you notice that your skin is reborn. But wait, if you think that this is super impressive, you have to look at the next one because that is going to make your skin so smooth that it might just break all those camera filters. This is rice flour. Now, if you've ever looked at your Korean idols or your Korean stars, and if you've ever wondered that why do they look so photoshopped? Well, this is one of the secret for having a Korean glass skin. And the reason why it works is because it contains ferulic acid and also allantoin. They are two very powerful antioxidants that brighten your skin and also protect you from intense sun damage. And not just that, just like gram flour, they gently exfoliate your skin and also remove those dead cells that are on your skin. And the starch that is present in rice flour removes that excess oil that is present in your skin, making your skin get that very matte look and also makes it glow. And also, one more cool thing about this is that if you have any dark spots on your skin, this also helps it fade it out more quickly than most products out there. So, how do you use it? Mix 1 tablespoon of rice flour and just take a little bit of rose water. Mix it around, make a nice paste, apply it on your skin, and scrub off very gently. And literally, that's all you need to do. And if you want to make the laziest, like literally the laziest skin toner ever, then you just take uncooked rice and soak that in water, and make sure that you soak it overnight in water. And then the next day, you can just use that water, put it in a bottle, and use it as a toner. Wait, because it even gets better. Because the next thing, what I'm going to talk about, is so powerful that Indian queens swore by it. And this is chandan or sandalwood powder. Now, if Indian queens all this while had flawless skin for centuries without having moisturizers or any face wash or serums or any Instagram filters, then well, they were up to something. And that something is chandan or sandalwood powder. And the reason why it works is because sandalwood contains santalol, which is an anti inflammatory that fights acne literally like a ninja. It also tightens your skin naturally, so it's pretty much like a natural facelift. And it also has natural cooling properties which reduce your redness and irritation, which are better than 99% of the modern creams that are out there. And also, Chandan is something that is tridoshik, which means that it is perfect for all skin types. So if you have acne, then it literally fights acne like a pro warrior. And especially in Indian summers, this is like an air conditioner for your face. Plus, one more really cool thing is that it smells really nice. So how do you use this? Well, you can mix 1 teaspoon of this chandan powder or sandalwood powder. Just add a little bit of rose water, make a nice paste, and apply on your skin and keep it for 10 minutes. When it dries out a little bit, then you rinse. Now, the next that we are going to talk about is literally nature's natural Botox, and you don't really need any injections, and that is aloe vera. If your skin is looking dull, dry, or it has just given up on life, then aloe vera is the answer. But why is aloe vera goated? Well, firstly, because it is packed with polysaccharides, which boost collagen production and it helps your skin stay very youthful. It also contains salicylic acid, which naturally fights acne. And third, it's 88% water content, which means deeper hydration without making your skin become oily. So, how do you use it? Well, if you already have aloe vera gel, then that's good. But if you have the plant, just remove the aloe vera gel from it and make it into much more like a paste by blending it and mix it with rose water and apply it on your skin like a serum. And just in case you have darker spots on your skin, then just add a little lemon juice to it or lime juice to it. Apply it on your skin, keep it for like a good 5 to 7 minutes, and just wash it off. And the last ultimate glow hack that you can literally do it in your sleep is rose water ice cubes. Now, just be honest that if you've ever woken up and you've seen yourself in the mirror and you're just wondering, like, wait, what just happened to me? Well, something like a rose water ice cube will work. Because, firstly, that cold therapy tightens your pores very instantly. Rose water also has natural anti inflammatory properties that calms the skin. And this hack literally is so good because even if you've got like just 3 hours of sleep, this will make you feel like you've got like a good 8 hours of nice quality sleep. And one more thing that you can also do is take those ice cubes and put it in cold water and just dip your face in it and keep it for like just a while. You will see that the puffiness just gets reduced like pretty much in around 10 seconds and gives you the nice fresh glow without you putting any makeup. So, how do you use it? It's very simple. Just freeze some pure rose water into ice cubes, then put that in the fridge, and then you wake up in the morning and remove those ice cubes and rub it all over your face every morning. And step three is just look at yourself in the mirror while doing this and say that, damn, I look good. And do try this because I'm very sure you will not want to start your day without doing this ever again. With that, I also have a bonus. Now, instead of you spending a lot of money on those expensive collagen products, well, why don't you just make this at home? And the reason this works is because flaxseed gel contains phytoestrogens, which naturally boost collagen. They're also very rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which plump up the skin and keep it very hydrated. And how do you use it? Well, pretty simple. Boil 1 tablespoon of flax seeds in water until it turns into like a very jelly substance. Then you just strain it, let it cool down for some time, and then you take that little gel like substance and apply it on your skin very lightly overnight. And when you wake up, you look 5 years younger. So now the question is that which one are you trying first? And if you have any of these hidden secrets, do let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you.